stumbled on a WLB file left over from Windows Live Photo Gallery. This database held your photo organization data before Microsoft retired the app. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these legacy photo database files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange WLB formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A WLB file is a database used by the now-discontinued Windows Live Photo Gallery to store information about a user's photo and video collection. Users encounter this file when trying to migrate data to a new system or recover tags, ratings, and album structures from an old installation of the legacy software. The WLB format is a proprietary database file, likely based on a lightweight SQL engine, designed to manage metadata for a large number of media files efficiently. Microsoft created this to provide features like facial recognition, geotagging, and non-destructive editing, without modifying the original image files. The direct link for opening WLB files is established with Windows Live Photo Gallery from Microsoft Corporation. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot interpret hierarchical index data, so proper access depends on dedicated tools. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click the WLB file and select Open With. Try launching it using Windows Live Photo Gallery if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you are still having trouble opening the WLB file, do not worry. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, reading in Photo Gallery. If you still have Windows Live Photo Gallery installed, it automatically reads WLB files when launched. The application is no longer available for download, but existing installations on Windows 7 or 8 systems continue functioning with stored WLB databases for photo organization and viewing. Next, migrating to modern tools. Microsoft recommends migrating photo libraries to the Windows Photos app or third-party tools like Adobe Lightroom or Digicam. Most metadata stored in WLB files, including tags and ratings, is also written back to image files as XZF data, ensuring portability when leaving the gallery. Finally, extracting metadata. Use EXIF tool to read metadata that Windows Live Photo Gallery wrote to image files alongside WLB updates. Many photo organizational details survive the transition since the application stored copies in standard EXIF and XMP fields, readable by virtually any modern photo management application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.